Oh my God, look at this cute turtle in my yard. Right over here by, let me stand up. Let's see, where's the turtle? At my condominium for birds that I'm setting up here with my new bird bath. Oh my God, look at this cute turtle. Let's see. Hey, you. Hey, turtle. Sorry, my camera's shaking. Oh, how cute. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. What's up, turtle? Let's see. Sorry, my camera's shaking so bad. How cute. Hey. All right, let me get closer. Hey there. Hey, cutie. You're adorable. Don't worry, I'm not going to bother you, but I hope you come visit again. Huh? You going to come visit again? Oh, he's going inside. Oh, I scared it. I'm sorry. All right, I'll say bye so you can get on your way. Bye-bye. See you later.